Hi, Elias. What are you doing? You having fun? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? Where's Gaz at? Can you go find the puppy? Yeah, you can. Good job. Safe. Come here, little man. Come here, little man.
Hello? Could you pick me up, do you think? If you are there? Hello? Are you still there? Can you pick me up, please? Because it's fairly urgent. Look,
Elias.
who's that standing there talking? It's me. Down on the floor, needing you to pick me up.
Come here.
Hola, amigo.
Come to Daddy.
What do? You just having a little 5 minute?
Yeah. Hi. No, you can't have the phone. It's Daddy's phone. Papa. Good job. Good job, Elias. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Good job. Come here. All right. I love you. I love you, Elias. Say goodbye. Elias, say bye-bye. Elias, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.